This is Lucy. I'm Suzanne Ridgway. Welcome back to my channel. What my kids have for lunch, a helpful video to help you pull things from your pantry to give them a great lunch. If your school has a microwave, that is a huge game changer and a really big help to broaden the lunch possibilities. But first, smash on that subscribe button, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. This is what my kids have for lunch. For my tween today, bottled water, goldfish in the container, pancakes, a small container of syrup, strawberries, chocolate chili granola bar, chocolate milk. For my teenager, we have a microwave at school. They wanted a cup of soup. It is very cold out this morning. Strawberry applesauce, juice bag, water for practice or whenever, and a chocolate chili granola bar. All the containers came from the Dollar Tree. The tiny ones come in a package of 8, sometimes 10. I'll put the water and the chocolate milk on the side, and then toss the granola bar in. I love this wide lunch bag. It makes it so convenient to put containers in, and Jacqueline's pretty good about bringing them home. I'm going to put a cup of soup in. The bottled water. The juice bag. The applesauce can get tucked in on the side. And then slide the granola bar on in. This is what my kids have for lunch. A nice video to help you pull things from your pantry to throw together a quick, nutritious, sometimes hot lunch. I urge you to check your school faculty or ask your child if they have a microwave available. I don't know about the elementary school, but I do know our high school has one, so that is a huge game changer for my children to have hot lunches. The pancakes will be thawed and ready by the time lunch rolls around for Jacqueline. Just heats them up for 40 seconds. Takes 3 minutes to heat up Isabel's soup. And they have a nice hot lunch today. Jacqueline doesn't like soup too much, just basically the noodles in it. And we'll eat them separately from the broth. Sometimes a little bit of broth because she is a picky child. We are looking for 11 subscribers to give away that 5 items price pack. We're getting closer to our goal. You need to be subscribed. You need to be a U.S. resident. And if you comment all the time, you have not one in the past 6 days, you are qualified as long as you're subscribed and a U.S. resident. It is valued at $6.25 and they're items from the Dollar Tree. I have some really nice items and there is a video of items that are available. I'll make sure to include it in the description box down below. For the gift card giveaway, same rules apply, and that is when we get to 1,200K. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching me all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of what my kids have for lunch. Real easy to do. If you are looking for a Motivation Monday, it is going to be a different type of motivation video today. We were spring cleaning my teenager's room. There's really nothing to clean in my house today. It was done over the weekend, so I can spend the day taking care of my teen's room and getting it ready for the summer with the air conditioner coming out in about 5 weeks. At least I hope so. 18 degrees this morning. It doesn't feel like it. Don't forget about the giveaways. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button. Don't forget to tap on that bell. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It'll certainly help me out. Share me to social media. Thank you for watching.